I'm gonna give you my honest review on it, like if it's worth buying or not. Actually bought this much from Little Box. Hi guys, स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल पे. My name is Riya and thumbnail पढ़ के आपको पता लग ही गया होगा कि this is a corporate haul video. So I have recently joined my internship and I'm so bored of wearing the same shirt and pant in my office. I got introduced to Little Box and I have bought some pieces from Little Box that feels stylish, is modest and it's classy. It's perfect for the office vibe, so I can't wait to show you what I've bought. So let's get into the video. So I bought this matching set of vest and trouser in the color cappuccino. Fabric is so good, the material is so good and it gives you such a classy vibe and I really love it. Like it's so Pinterest inspired. It also has string in the back so you can really like adjust it from your waist. This is such a good purchase. I bought it in size M. Love the trouser also. It looks like this and it's really comfy and it is available in different colors also. Like black was there and I saw a navy blue color also. But I bought this because it's different, you know. It's totally worth it and I'm gonna give it a 10 on 10. And it goes so well with my bag. It complements so much. I really loved it. I love the fit and everything about it. The second thing I bought is this shirt. I bought it in brown color and it's not a normal shirt. I mean it looks really stylish when you wear it. And I really loved the way it looks on me. I paired it with this cream baggy trouser and this is so trendy, like everyone is wearing baggy trousers nowadays and look so cool. I really love the stuff. I bought it for like 1099 and I think it's kind of worth it. And I bought the shirt for 700, which I think again a decent price. You can pair it with anything. Like this trouser goes with a lot of colors. I really love how it's pleated and how it looks. इनके साथ मैंने एक black baggy trouser भी order करा था. It's a wide leg trouser actually and it's kind of same, like it's in black and that was in cream. I think a black trouser is must because black goes with literally everything and black is like one of my favorite colors. But if you're a short girly like me, so ये थोड़ा सा लंबा है, but you know what I liked about it कि जब मैंने इसको heels के साथ पहना ना तो it gives like a long flare look and you look a bit tall in it. So I really liked it. तो मैं तो इसको alter तो नहीं करवाने वाली. So I'm gonna wear it with heels. Another one I bought this crop top ruffled. Like you can see it has such a stylish look. जब मैंने इसको वेबसाइट पे देखा था मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा तो मुझे लगा कि ये तो मुझे लेना ही है and it's for 549 so the price is also very decent but I'm gonna still give it a 8 on 10. You know why? Because इसका जो sleeve है ना वो थोड़ा uncomfortable है. So when you like get your hands up, इसका जो shoulder से ना ये थोड़ा ऊपर हो जाता है तो you have to like adjust it every time. So I think office में इतना सब करना it's not comfortable. So I think I minus 2 points because it's not very comfortable to wear it in office every day. You can wear it like with a skirt in a party, in office party. Shirt that I've bought and I really love it. I love the design actually, like collared neck and it has a lace, you know, you can see it has lace and it has lace on the sleeves also. It has long sleeves and the shirt I'm pairing with this bracelet. I loved it actually and I love the way it looks on me. इसमें एक brown color भी है if you want a different color option, but I really love the black one and I'm gonna give it a 9 on 10 because one thing is it's a bit pricey. It's for 900. I think it's worth it, but again for 900 you can use my discount coupon तो आपको उस पर डिस्काउंट मिल जाएगा और आपको थोड़ा सस्ते में मिल जाएगा. Perks of watching my video and it's really comfy, it's really comfortable because बहुत गर्मी है so I understand it's really comfortable. You can really go for it. Next is this top that I've bought. I love the fabric, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा soft है and it's like it has a ruffle, you know, you can see. तो ये बहुत अच्छा लुक देता है. अगर आप इसको पेयर करोगे एक स्कर्ट के साथ तो ये बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा लुक देगा. बट इफ यू आर नॉट कंफर्टेबल इन वेयरिंग लाइक स्लीवलेस इन ऑफिस सो यू कैन स्किप इट. द मटेरियल इज सॉफ्ट एक्चुअली. टाइम नहीं मिलता इन्हें कंस्ट्रक्शन करने के लिए. जैसे ही मैंने वीडियो ओपन करी कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑन ए फेस. नेक्स्ट इज दिस ड्रेस दैट आई हैव बॉट. इट कम्स विद अ जैकेट और इसके स्ट्रिप्स है, मतलब जैकेट के साथ है ये एंड आई रियली लव दिस लुक ऑल्सो. मतलब ये बहुत प्रिटी लगा मुझे और दिस यू शुड डेफिनेटली गो फॉर समथिंग लाइक दिस बट ऑल्सो लाइक यू कैन पेयर इट विद अ डिफरेंट थिंग ऑल्सो. लाइक को दो तरह स्टाइल कर सकते हो. लाइक मैंने जैसे पहना है, मैंने इसको ब्लैक पेंट के साथ पहना था बट जैसे जितनी गर्मी इस टाइम है आई अंडरस्टैंड जैकेट वेयर करना बट आई थिंक सितंबर अक्टूबर सीजन के लिए इट्स परफेक्ट. it's perfect for that season. That's it for the video. I hope you like my corporate haul and I hope you find my reviews worthy. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you're buying, don't forget to use my coupon code. Also, you can check my description for all the product links. मैंने सारे product के links वहाँ mention करे हैं, so you can go and check out the website, the Little Box website. And I really loved it. And also do tell me in the comment section आपको कौन से वाला product सबसे pretty लगा, पे कैसे लग रहा है. Please अपने comments लिखो comment section पे. Okay, and also like the video. See you. Bye.